This month, we're talking about the blues. The blues is the foundation of so many musical styles that you've probably heard of and probably love. The blues is the foundation of rock music. It's the foundation of boogie woogie, of jazz, of Cajun music, of zydeco, of lots of Latin rhythms that we all know and love. What I love about the blues is that we've been given a boundary. We don't have to know all the notes. We don't have to use all the chords. The blues contains 3 chords that are prescribed, and it contains 6 notes in the blues scale. The blues in C is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the 1. That's all you need to know to play the blues. This month's challenge on Accordion Love is a similar challenge that we did back in April 2021. It's to come up with a blues riff on your right hand. Let me show you what that's like. I'm going to record a backing track in the blues. I'm going to play the 12-bar blues on my keyboard. And your job is to come up with a blues riff. And I'll explain what that looks like. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. There was a few mistakes, but what does it mean to be prescribed notes? I could play the blues scale. I'm just going up and down. Your job is to come up with a blues riff, a series of 3 notes, 5 notes, 8 notes in a row that sound really nice. And again, the notes are, in the blues in C is 1, the flat 3, E flat, 4, flat 5, 5, flat 7, back to the 1. The usual chord of C major is C. 1, 3, 5. We're flatting the 3rd. We're flatting the 5, hitting the 5, right? So it's this. You hear there's that crunchiness to it, and the flat 7. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to play the blues, take those notes, and come up with an interesting riff. Interesting 3-note to 5-note combination. Try and feel it. I'll noodle around and see what sounds good. I'll switch to a crunchier sound and let's see what it sounds like. I don't have to play them in order. Yeah. I can play multiple notes at the same time. I'm only using notes from the scale. I can play up here or down here. Or up here. The cool thing is, once you know those notes, and once you start listening to blues players, you can borrow, but you can also start to just feel what feels good. These 2 notes, rocking back and forth. Sure, these two notes. Sure, these two notes together. And you start to become familiar with those pathways. This works across all keys. The magical thing too is that if you YouTube blues backing track in C major, you'll find it. The other cool thing, I'll clear this track, is we can record a slow backing track. And again, there's a full resource section on Accordion Love on how to play these backing, on how to accompany blues on your left hand, certain patterns. We can play it slower. Right, so that scale, the blues scale, works so well, and you'll start to hear it across lots of genres. So again, this month's challenge is to come up with a blues riff, come up with a set of notes that feel really nice, and post it on the Accordion Love forums. Those of you that post 6 times in a year will get exclusive Accordion Love merch. Those of you that post 12 times in a year without missing a month will get an exclusive prize pack. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.